Hi there. Thanks for checking out my website and looking at interdisciplinary movement and somatics. My name is Kayla June Kelly-Yakuli. I'm the director of IMSomatics and the developer of Somatic Groundwork. IMSomatics is delivered 100% virtually. And because of that delivery method, we have members that live all over the planet. Typically, people come to IMSomatics with a background in movement, therapy, medicine, art making. And the thing that really brings us all together is that we're interested in weaving somatic movement and inquiry through our offerings as professionals and through our lives and our relationships so that we can participate in humanity in a good way. Somatic Groundwork is a fascia-informed and developmental movement system and brings three categories of movement together: yielding practices, unwinding methods, and patterns of connectivity. In IMSomatics, you'll learn how to teach somatic groundwork and also how to weave somatic groundwork in with the other modalities that you apply, either with clients or in classes or other group experiences. I'm very excited to announce that we were just approved through the International Somatic Movement Education and Therapy Association. So if you choose the IMSomatics path total and also complete 60 live online hours, then once you graduate IMSomatics, you can apply to receive the credential Associate Somatic Movement Professional through ISMETA. I'm really excited about having this designation as an approved training program because depending on where you work on the planet and in the context with which you're working, having this affiliation with ISMETA can certainly help to serve you getting your offerings and your work into more spaces. If after you read the page and you still have questions about IMSomatics and you're not sure if this is a good next step for you, then book a call with me. Let's talk and see how this program might align with the intentions or goals that you have with somatic movement education.